Hey guys, this is a 3 feet wide, 210 feet long roll of brown paper. And if you want to know why I bought this, it's because when the dog bites or the bee stings or I'm feeling sad, I just remember a few of my favorite things. And brown paper packages tied up with string, it'll fix it, guys. So if you need a lot of brown paper for brown paper packages tied up with string, this is a lot of brown Kraft paper. It's not super thick, but it is definitely not transparent at all. So it is good for wrapping. Also, it can just be good if you want paper, big sheets of paper for painting or signage or whatever you might need. A whole lot. 210 feet of 3 feet wide Kraft paper. And again, I got it for brown paper packages tied up with string. But yeah, you could get it for a lot of stuff. There's no lines. It looks identical on both sides. It's just a whole lot of brown Kraft paper. Like I said, it's not super thick, so it is good for wrapping. But it's also definitely not transparent, so you can use it on bulletin boards or for craft projects or whatever needs you might have for it. I hope that helps you know if it's something you want to buy. So a lot of brown paper. It came in good shape. It was wrapped with some plastic to keep it dry, you know, just in case that box were to have got wet or anything. So it was wrapped with plastic, secured with 2 pieces of tape. But yeah, this brown paper is exactly what I expected, exact quality I expected. If you need brown paper and a lot of it in a wide roll, this is it, guys.